Hey peeps, it's your girl Blessed D Gaza Diva and welcome back to the Blessed D Gaza Diva channel. Happy Sabbath to those of you out there who celebrates the Sabbath, and to those of you who don't, a happy Saturday. Let's look at several activities that Vybz Kartel and G6 are carrying out for the weekend. So Vybz Kartel has an album. He has the new video out for Life Giver, produced by Automatic, who is a G6 producer. And then Sicko Rhymes is featured in a song with Chronic Law and Sean Storm, which we will get to at the end. You will see a snippet of it at the end of the video. So let's take a look first at Vybz Kartel's album, Dons and Divas. So Vybz Kartel is set to release the Dons and Divas album this June 26, 2020 on all digital platforms. People, Gaza Nation, you know we right now buy albums more than ever. That is nothing new to Vybz Kartel. Take up on a dirty money and let's go on all iTunes platforms, all Amazon platforms, and just buy out the album. We want this one to crack the top 10 in the US Billboard chart. Totanisha did extremely well and entered the US Billboard chart at number 87. Let's try and take this one higher, and I know you can do it. We have the money to do it, we have the ability to do it. It's not nothing, we have to just do it. So right now the album is available for pre-ordering on Amazon Prime, and it's also available for pre-ordering on iTunes. One of my friends, Briggsy, and my other friend are there. Me know say, boy, don't kill me, but me know say them pre-order them album already and then make sure send it in to me and say, see Gaza Diva, I purchase it already, because me can't run up and down and say Gaza every day and don't purchase the Boss album. Even if you don't have the money to purchase it, save up $1,000. Gaza Nation, you can save up $1,000. $1,000 and you can buy the album. Just like Totanisha, this is going to be no different. So let's take a look at some of the people who will be featured on this album. So you will have UTG, you will have Squash, Daddy One, Slimatic, Tommy Lee, TJ, Sicko Rhymes, Skitty Bang, Juice Fruit, Danny Boo, and Lisa Mercedes. And let me tell you that right there is an equal balance between male artists, talented ones, and female artists, some who are just coming on the scene, like Danny Boo. Lisa Mercedes, we've heard song from her. We know Lisa Hyper already, and the rest of the ladies, we are expecting a good, solid job from them. So let's take this quick listen of something to expect from the album.
You know one got jail, but you want fire shots for your great. I fool that. You just wait, seal up your face. Them vocal bad boy, you broke the code.
Gaza Nation, I'm super excited already. That song alone got me pumped. You have much more excitement to get and expect from this album. You're not going to be disappointed. Trust Gaza Diva now. When has the boss ever disappointed us? Make sure that you go out and you cut the album. Make sure that we do all we can in terms of streaming and ensuring that on June 26, when this drop, is another bomb, Hiroshima upon them. Gaza way. Now, let's take a look at Vybz Kartel's song Life Giver's video.
Babes, it's gonna be alright.
Remember when you told me you were pregnant?
Just before Mother's Day, Vybz Kartel released a song called Life Giver, and it was produced by Automatic Records. Automatic Records is known to work with Shabdon. He is a part of the G6 production team, and he's worked with Vybz Kartel in the past. Check out One Way, one of my favorite songs. Automatic helped to produce that, so you know him a bad producer. So this video followed up on the record, and it is a beautiful video. You see, me personally, them a talk about Vybz Kartel. Now they're prison, and Liquor Addy now gonna know how to be a good father. You think Vybz Kartel ramp? Wanna think the Gaza ramp? This song is a classic educational song, an informational song to Liquor Addy. So listen, my brethren, this is how you need to appreciate your baby mother. When the song came out, and I was like, this song's so simple, man. The song sounded as if it was made by a 16-year-old or a 15-year-old. But now we know why, right? The Grand Addy a play him role already.
Babes, it's gonna be alright.
Remember when you told me you were pregnant? I got emotional.
So you see, all I know out there roar about Gaza is the dirty Gleaner, and all of the rest I know I worry about how Liquor Addy is a kid and him not know how him go treat him baby mother. Check on yourself. Leave people business alone. And this is not even rich people business. All if him was poor and him have a Vybz Kartel as a daddy, him done seal. Him know the path where him a go on, and him a go dep on the right trajectory. So the whole I want to come off of the man name, see my teach him youth here. When Liquor Addy see them something here, all him a gonna know say, alright, and that daddy say, and see the video here, I show and I express home of a treat Kayla. So me have to go treat her good. Stop worry about Vybz Kartel. Him ever have everything locked. But him that prison and Liquor Addy now gonna know what to do. Alright. The video will teach Liquor Addy what to do. Or you mean Grant Addy?
We thank God for giving us a beautiful present. You look at me and you look so nice that I started crying. Tears of joy.
Hear my part of the song right here now. Just the expression here, it's so subtle and refreshing.
We're gonna have a girl or a boy. My baby mother.
You see, in these few lines that are coming up, Vybz Kartel is teaching Liquor Addy. Listen to me, brethren. You have a baby mother, and you must love her. You must treat her nice. Get things with her. Rub her foot. Rub her belly. Eat with her. Hurry up and come home and be with her and just take care of her. Vybz Kartel need to be physically there. How much of them physically out here in Jamaica, and I better they made magically, technologically present, because God know the physical presence makes no difference. Leave Vybz Kartel and this kid's business alone. If you have not checked out this Vybz Kartel song, run over to Vybz Kartel Radio right now. It was trending at number 45. Go over, give the video a watch, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and like. Share the video on Facebook, WhatsApp, and all other musical or social media platform. Now let's get into the meat of the matter why I came here today. So there is this video, and this video that has been floating around now for some time, and in the video you are basically going to see an elder with, I don't even know if it's another elder because I can't see him face. The man that the elder is arguing with looks like one of the kunamunos that I typically have to take on social media or in real life, because you have some people, you know, as soon as they hear that you say Gaza, as soon as they hear that you rep for Vybz Kartel, they start chat off them face and then start chat one bag of rubbish. And the only garbage that always come out of them mouth, Kartel a idiot, him have how much money, and him that prison, and him a murderer. I'm going to address those three things before I get to playing the video. Vybz Kartel's case has not been proven in terms of a body has not been found, concocted evidence has been fabricated, the home that the so-called murder was committed in has been destroyed by the government, and they have that man in prison for life. Yet in the appeal they shaved off 2 years out of what they illegally put on him. There's no man who's supposed to be in prison who doesn't get bail, and Vybz Kartel is the only person, artist or regular, that this has happened to. They didn't offer or gave him bail. They denied it, and whilst doing so, which is a pure violation of our constitutional right, nobody should be denied bail, and they denied it for Vybz Kartel. So the government of Jamaica can fool you, and them can fool you, and them can fool you. But people who know, and people who are in tune with the laws of the land, and people who understand their statutory rights, and people who understand the statutory laws, they know what time it is. So those are the things that the Gleaner should be writing about. But I guess that doesn't interest the Gleaner. So back to this little kunamono here. So this little kunamono chatting off face, Kartel guilty, Kartel a fool, Kartel am an artist. That's the next piece I'm going to address. There's no true, genuine Gaza supporter who will ever tell you that Vybz Kartel am an artist, but him a fool. It won't happen. There is never any true Gaza supporter who will tell you, a Gaza me say, today, and then next week you hear them a rep something else. it won't happen. There is never a true Gaza supporter that you will hear say, look how much money Cartel have, and this, and him do that, and Ray. Cartel are idiot. It will never happen. I've said it in previous videos, and I'm going to say it again. You see all these waste vloggers pages that you keep going on, and today them say Gaza, and tomorrow them say something else. Stop going on their pages and wasting your time. You're just wasting your time. And I'm telling you this because you keep mentioning them either in my comment section or visiting my IG page at blessed_Gaza Diva for those that don't know, and leaving it in my DMs. Do not leave any content about No Claffy in my DM. I don't listen to them. I don't go over to their pages. You all know them. I don't have to mention them name too, no. One of them live in a government house. The next one is a petty thief in Florida and got kicked out of the army. And the other one lives on one corner with one shop. Me don't need to send nothing to them. All of them trying to feather them nest. And if that's their thing, that's their thing. But please, I'm begging you, for the true supporters of Gaza, I know it hurts. I know you feel crushed because I used to be in your position. I used to be scribbling around on their comment section and running up and down in the comments. And that's how Blessed Gaza Diva's name was made. When I commented on a page of any vlogger, they knew then and there they were somebody to be respected, and the others would follow suit. Once you see me chop on up, yeah, I'm mincing up. You know, say una nobody. At the same stance, una have to take with these people. You see how you see this elder in this video a tackle the little waste kunumunaya in that video, yeah? I saw una to deal with them. So una not come in my DM, I wanna not forward on my page. I come tell me nothing about them waste man there. Look and see how the elder deal with this. Gaza till death, and we don't care what them want say. Notice when the little kunumun and the idiot I say Cartel a idiot. And when the elder just beat him with bare facts. All him a let out a FAX. Facts where them a print and a run with. Stop listen to them waste people. But peeps, enjoy the video and let me know your thoughts below, because you see, as far as I'm concerned, are the best video this out on YouTube right now.
Cartel run the blood clot country. Cartel. I bet them cartel system I bet them cartel system we've got here. You have to go. Cartel system blood clot. Cartel kill man. Cartel kill man. Gunshot. If cartel system send your woman. If you educated like cartel, if you sensible like cartel, you don't do that. We say you not did stand. You are saying pussy wall if you educated like cartel. You did stand till the day you die pussy wall. I want to that pussy, I idiot. Cartel are still label bomb of that. I want to them don't bomb. I just seem bad. You say cartel never bad. Cartel are real pussy. I want to this. You say you go did stand till you die pussy wall. Cartel, your prison man live better than me and your pussy wall. Yeah, big of idiot. But look for me. Cartel can't get a girl to go do a job in a prison. I'm lighter Jones, the pussy class. Come on, the prison get blow job over their road. Man, you sound dead. You sound top here, so. Man, the prison might get blow job in their road. If you have no money, no girl now look for your pussy hole. That's how we are. If you have that, you say cartel and girl. You're Indian, you sound kill yourself.
Yo, me 70 right now, can buy a pussy.
How long the Kalata? Cartel, the prison, you have more money than me.
You know,
Indian, not to.
Cartel, I idiot.
Are you a bigger fool? Come on, the prison do we can't do a road. Yo, cartel for a run this bumbo clad, please. I'm say Gaza, we say that. We say Gaza, we don't say gold. Gaza. We say Gaza, we say. Gaza. Listen, and they don't put them at the Gaza.
Gaza,
We say Gaza. Gaza. over Pumo. Pumo violate cartel thing.
money and kill people.
What that man? Some people be dead and some be live. You think everybody can live. You can't see everybody. Save the important one. And the one the important is kill. Tell me. Look. Tell me. You see me, me not see you a bumbo clad. Me say you see me, me not see you. So they say they see me go. Close! My friend now. My friend now.
Don't be like that.
Yeah, me done friend.
Cartel of my friend.
Yeah, me done friend.
Why was cartel of my friend?
Cartel that prison in my move girl down here, you got road. You don't want no girl, I'm going to
Go to work.
yeah. Man, you know what I'm telling you? You say I'm killer.
How can I go to favor?
I want to the man.
Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts below in the comment section about this elder, how you think he handled the situation, and if this is a representation of you and this man is a true Gaza supporter. Me, I'm going to be like this at the age of 90. I don't know about a girl or a boy. Gaza till the end. And please look out for the highly anticipated song between Chronic Law and Sean Storm. Sicker Rhymes will be in the video. I'm out. Take care, peeps.
Ones with my choose, it rhymes not the white men, bring my 22s. From Gaza to the La Vega to every youth. Work hard from the go. My clothes look clean, but my vice well set up. 1 million day I get a youth right, yes up. I guess I straight, I'm a beer get wet up. Still grounded like coffee express up. Cool and tough and try